Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with two saved. Blend files, the source that contains the animation and the target where you need it. In the source, select the animated object or armature and confirm its actions are named clearly. This avoids collisions when linking. Once done, bundle related strips in the NLA if you use non-destructive workflows. Make sure to save and close the source after confirming action names so Blender will reference stable data blocks when you link into the target. Open the target file and use file link to navigate to the source. Blend, then choose the appropriate object or action data block you want to import as a linked reference. Link armature and mesh first to preserve rig relationships, then link actions or NLA tracks. Once linked, use the Dope Sheet Action Editor or NLA to push the linked action onto the target rig. If bone names differ, create bone name mapping with drivers or the Data API to remap transforms automatically, ensuring poses drive the right bones. Decide whether to keep the animation linked or make it local. If you need to edit, select the linked objects and use Object Relations Make Local to create editable data blocks. Once local, clean up NLA strips and bake to keyframes if you plan to export or retarget. Baking resolves driver or constraint differences. If something breaks, check the usual culprit, mismatched armature names or namespaces, relink the correct armature, verify bone names, and remap or retarget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.